Ffion consistently puts the children at the centre of the services, and you can see from the hub itself the community are part of the hub. So you've got all the children's words and pictures on the wall and staff's thank you cards or letters from families or children, and she creates that. And wider team managers reach out to Ffion to talk to her about how she creates that atmosphere and why people don't want to leave this team.
So I suppose every day can be different. It could be a few case consultations during the day, things that are already planned in, but it could also be an emergency crisis has happened and safety planning with the team of how we're going to manage these situations. I love making a difference in not just family and children's lives, but also working with staff to develop them. Well-being is really something important in terms of the way I manage and lead the team, and we don't celebrate enough in social work.
She became a team manager right at the start of the pandemic in 2020, and really shortly afterwards had to deal with some very exceptional circumstances and issues that arose in the locality where her hub is based. And despite those exceptional, very difficult circumstances, she just remained calm and she continued to support and nurture her team. And as a collective, they got through it. It was such a fantastic achievement, and it really demonstrated her strengths and leadership style.
She's very selfless and she goes an extra mile. She goes beyond her role as a manager, and I think she's one person who always tries her best to make sure that people are happy in both, family life and work life, and getting that balance right. I'm one of the luckiest people to be working with Ffion and learn from her on a daily basis. She's a role model.